Hi everyone, my name is Riley and I'm a Senior Account Executive here at Mixmax. Welcome to another episode of our series, The Good, the Bad, and the Spammy. If this is your first time, we are dissecting outbound emails that our team has received and giving best practices. To jump right in, starting with the subject line. This subject line is far too long, and a mobile view probably wouldn't even really fit. So I would recommend when it comes to personalization too, let's maybe pick Mixmax or Kyle, both kind of leans towards the spammy side and this little bit too much. I think for this subject line, we could go ahead and get rid of the Kyle at the beginning, and that would be a decent subject line, although I do think we could do a little bit better with what's in the email and crafting a better subject line. With the first paragraph, I think it isn't providing a ton of value, so we could go ahead and get rid of that paragraph and jump maybe into the second paragraph, because this paragraph has some research that points for research and personalization. That's always a good thing to capture your prospect's interest, show them that you took some time before sending this email and it's not a bulk email, even though maybe it is, but with a little personalization that can go a long way. There are also far too many links in this paragraph here at the bottom. I think when it comes to links, maybe limiting it to one or two, you're kind of losing the value of like a call to action if you want them to click on something. So steering away from that, maybe add like one single button if there's something that would, be relevant to them and you want them to click on. We also found that there's a few individuals in here and companies that's great as long as these people and companies are valuable, are relevant, which would be more valuable. So definitely add those if they are relevant to the recipient. I think this last paragraph could be broken up into yet again another email. And lastly, I think the last line is a little bit awkward. I would change it to would you be open to having a brief discussion or update on how we can help, instead of have I earned the opportunity? I think that's a little bit awkward. That's all the time I have for today. Leave any other comments or critique below. Thank you.